Today we're checking out the Red Rock TC2 drop step running boards with a textured black finish. And these are going to be an excellent option if you're a 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner owner, but excluding the Limited, the Nightshade, TRD Sport, and the 2010 to 2013 SR5s. But if you're looking to enhance both the functionality and the rugged aesthetics of your 4Runner, then these are going to be a solid option. These running boards offer a practical solution for easier cabin access while adding a bold, off-road ready look to your 4Runner. These Red Rock TC2 drop step running boards are designed with an angular drop step configuration, providing a lower stepping surface that makes entering and exiting your 4Runner more convenient, especially for lifted vehicles or running larger tires. This design not only improves accessibility, but it also is going to contribute to the aggressive styling that off-road enthusiasts love. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, these running boards are built to withstand the rigors of both daily driving and those off-road adventures. The textured black powder coat finish offers long-lasting corrosion resistance, ensuring durability and maintaining their rugged appearance over time. They're not going to chip or crack and get dings in the paint, and they're really going to look good for years to come. In addition to their functional benefits, the drop step design provides a measure of protection against road debris and trail hazards, shielding the lower sides of your 4Runner from debris and potential damage out there on the trail. Red Rock manufactures these running boards to precise vehicle specifications, utilizing heavy-duty steel for superior strength and rigidity. The high-grade textured black powder coat finish not only enhances their visual appeal, but also provides a long-lasting corrosion resistance, making sure they stand up to harsh environmental conditions and they don't rust or chip or crack over time. The angular drop step design not only adds functionality, but also adds a distinctive, aggressive look to your 4Runner that's going to complement its off-road capabilities. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that low $300 price range. And when you consider their durable build, their functional design, and the aesthetic enhancement, they represent a solid value for 4Runner owners seeking an upgrade to their vehicle's accessibility and the appearance. The installation process on these are very straightforward, and they're going to utilize the factory mounting points. So it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in about 2 hours of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 13mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing side steps on our 4Runner, so let's get started. So now the first thing I've done is laid out all of my brackets and my hardware for the driver's side here. Now on each of our brackets we have a stamp. For the driver's side we have DF, DC, and DR for driver front, center, and rear. Now these are all going to install the same way. We've got bolts with lock washers and flat washers that are going to be threading into the threaded holes on our underbody. So now I've got the driver front bracket here. I'm just going to be raising it up to these threaded holes and threading in my bolts. And then just straighten out your bracket and use a 13mm socket to tighten it down. Now do the same thing for your center and rear bracket. So now we're going to raise our side step up into place and lay it on our brackets. We have 2 combo bolts for each bracket that are going to be going in through the back and up from the bottom into the rib nuts in our side step. So now you can take your combo bolts and thread those into the rib nuts in your side step. Now you want to thread in the 2 bolts on the other 2 brackets, and then you can come back with a 13mm socket and tighten all of them down. I've already got my bolts installed on all 3 brackets, so now I'm just going to tighten it. I'll do the same on the other two. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Red Rock TC2 drop step running boards in textured black for your 2010 to 24 4Runner, excluding Limited, Nightshade, TRD Sport, and 2010 to 13 SR5. Thank you for watching, and for all things 4Runner, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.